What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day. I am starting a new series, so this is something that's really quick and hopefully you find it helpful. It's going to be 2-minute tips for all kinds of stuff in the shop, anything from safety to saving money, or even just little project ideas. And today I'm going to start off with the first one of, if you're doing epoxy pours, how you can use this right here, clear packing tape, and save yourself some money and hassle with your epoxy pours. So if you're like most people, when you're doing an epoxy pour, the first thing that goes through your mind is probably not, man, I need to save some money on the tape or the mold release. But if you think about it, this is a great way to save some money, especially if you're doing a larger pour. If you're using Tyvek tape, that stuff is $16 a roll online. But at the same price, actually $2 less, you can buy 6 rolls of duct clear packing tape. Now, this is not an ad for duct clear. Any clear packing tape will work, but it's a whole lot cheaper. It applies the exact same way. You make sure there's no gaps in the coverage and that there's no holes for the epoxy to slip through to your mold, and it will release perfectly. I've been using this stuff for a while on everything from cylindrical molds to the large molds that I use to make tabletops and desktops and things like that. So this is a great thing to keep in mind. It's a great way to save some money while you're doing your epoxy projects. So then go have some fun. All right, guys, so there it is. That's a super simple way to stop epoxy from sticking to whatever you're using for your molds. Like I said, I use clear packing tape for all of it. This has given me no problems if applied properly. So I hope you guys found that helpful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. For sure, hit the notification bell, guys, as YouTube has changed some of their policies and not everybody subscribed to a channel will see when someone uploads a video. So really make sure to hit that. And I hope you guys found this useful. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think as far as what you would like to see in this series. I'm going to try to make this a weekly series, probably on a Tuesday or Wednesday every week. I haven't quite figured it out. As soon as I know, I'll let you guys know as well. But I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful again. And I'm going to go get some more work done. See you guys later.